To factory reset your Roborock S8, first of all, you will need to find the home button on the top panel right here. Just keep in mind about this button because the factory reset is a bit complicated on this device. So there's a first button that we'll need, just don't hold it yet. Now we need to find the reset button, which is located under the Roborock cover. It's right here. So take something like a screwdriver or pin just to click and hold this button, and now what you need to do is click and hold home button. Then with the other hand you'll need to click and hold the home button for 5 seconds. Then after those 5 seconds pass, click on the reset button with the screwdriver, as I said. So now I'm gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna hold the reset button and keep holding both of them. Okay, I was holding it for a bit too much, but I'm always secure about this. I always try to hold it for as long as possible to make it reset. So it took around 30 seconds for me, but you should let go around 20 to 15 seconds. And after you hear the jingle, that means the reset is finished. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.